everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here, and it is Tuesday, which means Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and this is a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. So I'll have her channel linked down below in the description box, along with the playlist to other content creators creating cleaning motivation for you, tiny messes or places that we need to organize in our homes to get us started and clean up for the week. So yeah, lots of cleaning motivation along the way on the playlist. And I'm going to tackle this mess behind me. This is our like Tupperware drawer or cabinet, and yeah, it's got out of hand. We had an organizer in here and we took it out because that wasn't working, and then I didn't get to organizing all of the Tupperware, so I'm going to go through it. I'm going to match the lids to the containers and see what we have and organize. We also have like our bowls and mixing bowls and different things in here. Most of the things I will be keeping, but I just want to organize it a little bit more and not have it all piling up. I'm going to show you it right now, but definitely check out the playlist after you watch my video and like the videos and subscribe along the way and show your support, and hopefully you get some motivation along the way.
Yeah. No.
that is going to finish up today's video. Tackled this pile of Tupperware, and now it is in somewhat of an order. I want to revisit this and maybe declutter some of them once some of the dishes are put away, see what we have, and pick the favorite ones, or organize this in a different way, maybe move some things into a different cabinet, and I will try and give you updates if I tackle some more spaces in my kitchen. But that is going to finish up the cleaning motivation. I hope this inspires you to get something done around your home, maybe tackle a cabinet or drawer in your kitchen that needs to be done. Yes. And don't forget to check out the playlist and Sunday Dawn's channel for more cleaning motivation, tiny tidies to help you tackle the things on your to-do list this week. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and then this little guy here is 6 months old. And here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor. I love to decorate for all of the seasons. And I share sensory bins and so much more content that fits into those categories. So definitely stick around, subscribe, like this video, and come back for more content. I have a lot of videos planned, and like I said, definitely check out the other channels on the playlist and show them some love and support. Like their videos and subscribe along the way to support them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.